Over the past 13 years, Afghanistan has made significant gains in many important areas. The landmark agreement between President Ashraf Ghani and Chief Executive Abdullah to form a government of national unity is an important milestone in this democratic transition. We fully support the government's forward-looking vision and reform program, including measures to strengthen the economy, governance and the rule of law, with the overall aim of achieving self-reliance during the transformation decade and its plans for regional connectivity. We have also welcomed the government's call for dialogue and its determination to resolve differences through political means. I recently had the privilege of welcoming President Ashraf Ghani on his first state visit to Pakistan. I am convinced that we made a historic new beginning in our bilateral relations. I shared with President Ghani my vision of a comprehensive and enduring partnership between Pakistan and Afghanistan, which contributes to the security and prosperity of our two nations and reinforces efforts for peace and development in the region. We agreed that terrorism, a common enemy, must be fought through common endeavors without any distinction. We reaffirmed the commitment that neither side would allow its territory to be used against the other. We have initiated actions to deepen security cooperation, promote bilateral trade, and streamline transit trade issues, build a stronger economic partnership with a new focus on investments and enhance regional economic cooperation. We've also agreed to fast-track the implementation of key trans-regional energy projects, particularly CASA 1000 and TAPI gas pipeline.